maneuver to save Zeta Prime, Optimus enacts a bold plan to allow himself and a few others to be captured by the Decepticons. The plan works all too well, and soon the Autobots find themselves en route to Kaon, the capital city of the Decepticons.
Prisoner transfer. For the glory of Megatron! Move it, Autobots!
I hope you know what you're doing, Optimus.
Have faith, Bumblebee, and follow my lead.
Optimus is right. We've been in tougher spots than this. Wow. Megatron has gathered quite the army, hasn't he?
Quiet!
Data signature confirmed. Opening main gate.
Welcome to Kaon!
You gonna talk now? I want the location.
I told you! I don't know!
Look, that's the one who fought Starscream. He doesn't look so tough.
Soundwave! Your prisoners have arrived!
Initiate processing.
We captured them trying to raid supplies outside of Kaon!
Take them to recycling.
Move it, prisoner!
Recycling? That doesn't seem so bad.
Yeah? What exactly do you think they're recycling?
Keep moving!
What a jerk.
Patience. Our time is near.
What is this place?
Are those caskets?
Spare me this mockery of justice!
Don't say anything about justice.
What is that?
The Energon Bridge. It powers Megatron's orbital base. Halt! Ready! Aim! Fire! You're next, Autobot! Up against the wall!
Optimus, this is all part of the plan, right?
Ready!
Optimus!
Aim! Look out!
Optimus. Looks like I got here just in time.
I'll say!
Thank you, Air Raid. The plan is working perfectly. By allowing ourselves to be captured, we've gained access to the prison. And now stand a much better chance of saving Zeta Prime.
You certainly took your sweet time, Air Raid.
I like to make a dramatic entrance. Here, head to the service ducts. They should lead to the lower prison levels. That's probably where Zeta's being held. Good luck.
Bring in the heavy turret! Look, blast it open!
What is this place?
Air Raid said they were service ducts.
Where are they?
Alert! Alert! Autobot prisoners have escaped custody. Shoot to kill.
Whatever your point was, I think you made it.
Ready your energy blades. We'll drop down. Escapees, they're here!
So glad of you to notice!
Now we're talking! I hate sneaking around. Hey now! Be more careful!
take their weapons. The Decepticon prison fields.
I've heard stories of this place, but to see it, it's horrifying. We've got company!
You're on my turf now, pal! Weapons hot! Trigger finger on! A little itchy? Keep your head down! You've got snipers everywhere! Pulling weapons!
Ready to roll.
I downed another one! Hey, a new toy!
Nicely done!
Locked and loaded!
Point man!
I need to recharge.
Down another one!
Now that guy looks like a simp!
What is that thing?
Who cares? It's shooting at us! Shoot back!
Drilled and spilled!
Weapon ready to fire!
Take that, Decepticon punk! Woohoo!
I wasn't worried.
The crawler's main servo still function. Now that it's been disarmed, we can use it for transport.
There! It's working! Down we go!
Is that good or bad?
Bumblebee, we're locked inside an enemy prison, surrounded by countless Decepticons bent on our destruction.
So it is bad.
It's purely a matter of perspective.
Well, I'm loving this. Let's crack some heads.
Yeah, I'm ready now!
Look at this. The prodigy returns.
Megatron.
I knew you couldn't resist rescuing Zeta Prime, which is why I orchestrated the entire thing. Zeta contacting you, your capture, all of it, all to bring you before me. Welcome to your defeat.
Megatron's not messing around!
Yeah? Neither are we.
Consider that good luck!
A little itchy? What the pump? Ready!
That's what this is about. Revenge for what happened so long ago?
Don't flatter yourself, Optimus. What I do for all of Cybertron. My orbital station's Energon bridge is back online. allowing me to create an infinite supply of dark energon. I shall use that power to return our planet to its former glory.
At what cost, Megatron?
At any cost. I will save this planet.
Your war is destroying the very planet you want to save.
Our war, Optimus. A war that I am winning. I've tamed the great Omega Supreme. Zeta and the other primes have fallen. And yet you continue to resist the inevitable. You have the power to end this conflict right now with one simple choice. Take your Autobots and leave Cybertron forever, or stay and face complete annihilation.
This is our home, Megatron. We will stay. We will fight. And we will win. Watch out! They're coming in!
You cannot defy destiny, Optimus! I will bring order to Cybertron!
Now that guy looks like a
You're about to join Air Raid and the thousands of other Autobot fools as our prisoners. Permanently.
What just happened?
That lousy bucket of bolts cheated, that's what!
Megatron teleported us directly into a prison cell.
The Autobots are secured. Escape is impossible.
Enjoy your stay, Autobots! Rust in peace!
They took our guns. Again? Anybody got any ideas?
Autobots, I'm sensing faint energy emanations from that wall.
No offense, Optimus, but I don't see how that's going to help.
Well then, Sideswipe. Watch and learn.
Whoa!
Didn't know you could do that!
There is much you don't know about me, Sideswipe.
Look at all those prison cells.
Autobots! They've come to save us! Free us!
These cells are hard-locked. Optimus, can you chop through the wall again?
No, I'm afraid not. Doing that requires all of my reserve power. It takes a long time to recharge.
There's gotta be a way to open these doors!
Air Raid surveyed this prison thoroughly. When we find him, we find our answer.
You're not gonna free us?
Your freedom is near, my brothers. Be patient, be strong, and be ready to fight.
What about us? Wait! Where are you going? The one called Optimus. We'll spread the word. Good luck.
Take out those sentries.
14. Reinforcements en route.
Reinforcements? I'm flattered.
Here they come.
Yeah! Go get him, Optimus! Scrap that guy! Last one for me!
You wanna go? Let's go!
Brutes, flank up from behind. It's over.
Cooling phase complete!
You ready for a real fight? That's over here. You're gonna die! Death to Autobots!
We're ready to fight! Just say the word!
Death to Autobots!
Looks like we got them all. Of course, I got most of them.
My axe is fully recharged. This way, Autobots.
What is this?
That current looks strong. Don't let it pull you into those grinders.
Must be how they recycle their prisoners.
Right.
The Decepticons will pay dearly for this.
Hey, a new toy! Look, there's air raid in that cell up ahead.
I was wondering when you guys were gonna show up.
We took the extended tour, saw the sights, blasted some bad guys, the usual.
Don't get too cocky. I suspect we aren't alone.
Hey, what was that?
are the controls to your cell.
You'll have to nullify 2 containment protocols, each with its own switch. Be careful. There may be more of those cloakers in the tunnels.
Hold tight, Air Raid. We'll get you out. Are up. Now, to deactivate that shield. Take note of that shimmer. There's a cloaker nearby.
Weapon ready to fire.
Let's see him mess with me now! Decepticon punk!
Overheated.
A little itchy?
You know, it was a lot quicker when I was rescuing you guys.
Can it, Air Raid? We're working here.
Weapon cooldown is. Autobot detected.
overheated! Coming at ya! Ready for action! Weapons too hot! for us, are they?
Roger that, Bro.
Bro? Are you serious?
Well, I can't just call you B all the time. That gets boring.
Hey, Sideswipe, less talk and more shooting! Free at last!
Good work, Autobots. We're not finished until every Autobot here is free.
I spied the central control room on my way in. From there, we can override every hard lock in the prison.
Lead the way, Air Raid.
You sure you know where you're going, Air Raid?
Feel free to venture out on your own, Sideswipe. No one will miss you.
Just asking.
The control room is just up ahead.
Might have been overkill.
Weapon systems recharging.
There. That console controls every cell in the prison.
Even Zeta Primes?
Well, no. According to this, Zeta's locked down in a maximum security bunker on one of the lower levels.
Let's give the Decepticons something else to think about. It's time to free our Autobot brothers. Who wants to do the honors? There. Freedom restored. A diversion created.
Yeah, look at him go!
Unauthorized deactivation.
Hail, Fry! Autobots, we must escort our brothers to safety.
We can funnel them to the side hangars. Autobot in right sight. Rocket!
Weapons overheated. Keep moving! We've got you covered!
Provide cover fire for the escapees.
One less Decepticon to worry about.
Seekers!
The prisoners get out safely, then escort them back to Icon. We'll meet you there.
What about you?
We're not leaving without Zeta Prime. Now go!
See you on the outside, Autobots!
Now, let's get who we came for. This wall crawler should carry us to the lower levels.
Here we go!
Neutralize them.
We've got other crawlers chasing us!
Blast them! Blast them!
Destroy them, you fools!
They're ripping the floor apart!
We're on the speed, Autobots.
Decepticons, do not allow the Autobots to reach Zeta.
gonna make it!
We'll make it! Keep driving!
alive, Optimus!
Yeah! We made it!
Keep firing.
Optimus, look! It's Zeta Prime!
Optimus, is that you?
What do they have him hooked up to?
Autobots, how
We can't blast through that shield!
You cannot stop me, Autobots. Activate defense sentries. Eject. Operation Annihilation.
Time to dance, Autobot!
Focus your fire on the little one.
Hey, who are you calling little?
And I thought I was small.
Soundwave!
Hey! Look!
Let me at him!
Soundwave has to leave the shield to help us run!
Aw, he's like their daddy!
before rumble!
Ugh, these little guys are so annoying!
First we crack the shell, then we crack the nuts inside!
Activate defense sentries. Rumble. Eject. Operation Disorientation.
Get ready to crumble before rumble!
Ugh, these little guys are so annoying!
First we crack the shell, then we crack the nuts inside!
Autobots, now fire at Soundwave.
Hey, look! Soundwave has to leave the shield to help us run!
Aw, he's like their daddy!
I gotta get some energon! Quick! Now's our chance! Get him!
Rumble. Return. Activate defense sentries. Laser beam. Eject. Operation Dive Bomb.
He's off the platform! Now's our chance!
Autobots, now fire at Soundwave.
Planning Cybertron would save us a life stream.
Soundwave!
He's gone!
Hold on, Zeta. We'll get you out of there.
A noble sentiment, Optimus. And I'm afraid I'm dead already.
Zeta, let's bring him home. High Council, I return with a fallen hero.
Till all are one.
Times have grown desperate. The Autobots crave your guidance.
The Council exists only to choose the Primes. It is the Primes' directive to lead and protect.
There are no primes.
Even now, you still reject your calling? For too long have we watched the other Primes fall to their pride and greed. But you, Optimus, your courage and wisdom have transformed the lives around you. Megatron has infected the very core of our world. You must journey to the core and remove this blight. Failure would doom us all.
I will accept the burden with all that I am.
Rise, Optimus Prime, for you are the leader of the Autobots. You are the last Prime.